Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dad, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So, come along with me in this journey of wealth. When I became a father, I was excited, but a little lost as well on what a new baby would need. It was also difficult to say whether or not we should spend that much money on something. It was quite the journey of becoming a new father. There definitely has been a learning curve. By not having the right equipment and tools available for your baby, it can lead to more sleepless nights, as I have learned. Without the right equipment, taking care of a newborn is so much less efficient. The nursery is much less organized as well without the right equipment. There is a need to constantly find things, pure disaster. In this video, I want to share with you what I did to raise my daughter to 9 months old. I also want to let you know the exciting journey I took of fatherhood. What decisions we had to make, what we did with our nursery. Therefore, I've compiled a list of 9 things that I found to be the most useful during fatherhood, and I highly recommend everyone getting these. I will also share how we got it at a great price and where you could get it. I'm super excited to share this with you, and I hope you stay to the very end of this video. If you like this list, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps my YouTube channel out and will let me know what kind of content you guys love. The first item that I love the most is the Play Gym. You can get this Baby Einstein 4-in-1 Kickin' Tunes music activity gym playmat. This Play Gym grows with your kid and comes with so many cool toys. It has a shaker, a mirror, crumple paper, and even a teether. These are some of my and my baby's favorite toys from this kit. Then the best thing is that it comes with a piano that your kid can grow up with. Whether they are just laying there, on tummy time, sitting, or standing, this piano is great throughout all ages of your child. This Play Gym mat is one of the most used toys that we have ever gotten. We just lay her on there and she plays by herself for an hour or so before we need to feed her. There are many kinds of Play Gyms out there. The reason we chose this one is because of all the toys this one comes with and at one of the best prices. The piano makes it absolutely worth it. If this is something you like, I will leave a link in the description down below where it is available at Amazon for $50. The second item I love the most is the Jolly Jumper. Our baby loves the Jolly Jumper and she has so much fun on it. We can leave her on there while we eat dinner and she jumps around and laughs with us. When they say jolly on the item, they weren't kidding. I so highly recommend this item and I found that it also builds her leg strength. This item is totally worth the $100 because they play by themselves. The baby gets so much enjoyment out of it and it is one of the best things I've ever invested in. I put this as number 2 just because of the price. The third item that I love is this Fisher-Price 4-in-1 sling and seat tub. It comes with the big tub, then it has the seat insert and the sling insert depending on the size of your baby. The sling is good up to 6 months. Then your baby should be able to use the seat insert. At 9 months old, our baby is still much enjoying the seat insert and has no need yet for the big tub. However, I think she is ready for it soon. Our baby loves playing with the water so much. We use the toys and the spray bottle in the water in front of her and she loves reaching out for the water and playing with it. For $40, this is completely worth it. The fourth thing that I love, and this is more of a nice to have, is an L glider. I would get this early on if you are planning to have multiple kids because you don't want to realize you want an L glider on your last kid. It's super useful to rock your kid to sleep. My wife loves it for breastfeeding and she uses that chair all the time. It's also great to wait for the baby to sleep and nap together there too. We got this wonderful Windsor glider and ottoman with gray cushion. It's comfortable, it glides well, and so far, good quality. The best thing is that this furniture no longer costs an arm and a leg. The L glider is $165. We got this L glider on Amazon. All of it shipped in a single box, easy to unbox, and super easy to assemble. The next thing I found super useful is a baby playpen fence. We considered many things, whether it was foldable and stackable, whether it was big enough for the room. We like this one because it also has multiple colors. It also has the convenient door, and our baby loves playing in there with all her toys. It gives us that sense of security that she won't crawl everywhere inside the house. This fence also contains all her toys in one area, so the house doesn't look like such a mess. This set comes with 14 panels and you can arrange it so that it uses walls as additional fencing. The cost is a little high of $165, but I still think it will be worth it if you like to keep a secure and organized play area for your baby. Now we go into the necessities a little bit. The sixth thing is, and you must have ready before going to the hospital, is the car seat. The one we have is perfect because it's not the fanciest and it's not the most expensive. We found that we don't really need all the features available out in the world, just enough to keep the baby safe. We decided to go with a travel system because we could save some money on the stroller. Also, the neat thing is that the baby carrier can be transferred from the stroller to the car seat and vice versa universally. I also found that Graco is the perfect midway brand and the pricing is perfect for us. The Graco Modes travel system is $230 from Amazon and I highly recommend this one. The next thing, and there has been much debate over needing a crib and a bassinet. We started out with both, but very soon afterwards we went with just the crib. The baby slept in the other room and we used a baby monitor to make sure she was safe. It worked very well. The baby slept by herself overnight without issue and was very independent. I'm very proud of her and she deserves the whole room to herself. We got this Graco Lauren convertible crib. It's built with really solid wood, nice painting, and finish. It's a great price for this crib as well. We got it for $280, which also comes with a mattress that normally costs about $100. So getting this is a really good deal. The eighth thing that I found super useful is a change table. Change tables comes in all sorts of sizes and styles. The kind that I think work the best is a furniture style change table. As the baby grows and learns to roll around, the portable change tables are not stable enough. I love this Delta flat top change table because it's so sturdy. I also love the extra storage that is underneath for clothes, cream, and extra supplies for a more convenient change when baby emergencies happen. Change tables like this doesn't have to be super expensive and fancy. Just enough to make the job easy. The last thing, and the most super important thing, are swaddles. I'm actually a little disappointed that it took me a couple of months to figure it out. Our girl really enjoys the security of the swaddles, and she sleeps all night with them. I got these Swaddle Me swaddles. They were lifesavers. That's because it would help me get her to fall asleep earlier, and then we could have our evenings to ourselves. Before the swaddles, we were so confused why the baby would wake up in the middle of the night so frequently. I highly recommend these swaddles for sure. I hope you enjoyed the list. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. I would be so grateful, and it pushes this content to other people that would find it useful. I hope this list helps all the fathers out there. Even mothers could watch this and get all your husbands to watch it afterwards. I wished I had this list when I started to buy things so that I didn't have to shop for so long and make so many decisions. Make sure, if you haven't yet, that you join me and the many others at the Daddy Dat Facebook group to share your opinions and ask questions. I hope this list will help you find everything you need for your first kid. I specifically made this list with everything you will need, and still you could get it brand new at a reasonable price. I also hope that this list will help you reach that dream goal faster, whether it's that dream house of yours, if it's that penthouse. Travel the world and do a safari. Retire early and become financially independent. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, thanks for watching. If you like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat saving you money.